This is the dashboard. Whenever you need to send any mail merge, you need to go to configuration, and here you need to add the template first, right? So in configuration management task, there is a fourth option of mail merge templates. You need to select here. You need to go to email part, and here by adding you need to add the template. For example, today we are going to learn how we can send Diwali wish or the common topic. So Diwali wishes to owner, I'll keep that as a template name. And now subject, let's take an example. This is the subject. Let's take an example. This is the subject, right? And here you can add the content. Let's suppose this is the content. From here you can choose property management, so these options will be shown to you. So whenever you are going to add the ownership name here, right, automatically it takes the ownership name. So for the different properties, different owner name will be picked up. Here you can write your agency name. For example, this is for steel real estate, so you can write here. Here you can write regards steel rental team, or you can mention your name and your contact number. Do spacing here accordingly, and by going down here select company banner and you need to save, right? Here you have created one template. Let's take an example. Go to management. From here the communication part, create mail merge. Here you need to select, you need to write email, then select next. Here select the template, for example Diwali wishes to honor, go to next. Here you need to type ownership, because we are going to send the email to the owners. Contact type would be all, not the primary one. If you are going to select the primary one, then only the one owner who you have chosen as primary in all the profiles will receive the email only. So try to keep it all here, or you can choose owner here, so that no emergency contact, no accountants will receive the emails, right? Go to next. Here all the things have been set it automatically, you need not to do anything. Here you'll see these are the owners, and by sending email all will receive the same email, right? So I'm not going to send that right away. In the same manner, you can add the template for email to the tenants, email to the creditor, so that you can wish or you can give the information to all. Same way I'll repeat. Go to configuration, mail merge templates, select email, add the template here. Whenever you done, go to managements, create mail merge. Here select the suitable options, and you can successfully send your template. Thank you.